अनुपम गरिमामय अति पावन KCMT हमारा है। गुरुकुल सा ये विद्या मंदिर हमें प्राण से प्यारा है।
हम है KCMTers, KCMTers, हम है KCMTers, KCMTers।
Bareilly is an educational hub of Western Uttar Pradesh of Northern India. It is the capital of Rohilkhand division. Bareilly, also known as Nath Nagari, meaning land of Lord Shiva and Sari Nagari. Every child is an artist. The problem is how to remain an artist once he grows up. Khandelwal College of Management and Technology. KCMT College, located in the city, is among the eminent educational institutions in northern India. The brainchild of Sri Girdhar Gopal and his associates is the gift of 21st century to Bareilly and Bareillians.
बच्चे जो यहाँ से छोड़ के दिल्ली और बेंगलोर पढ़ने जाते हैं, वो पढ़ाई हम बरेली में ही दें और बरेली में ही उस पढ़ाई का इससे इतना अच्छा हो कि लोगों को बाहर जाने की आवश्यकता ही ना पड़े। मेरा अपने स्टूडेंटों को यही संदेश रहता है और यही मेरी आशीर्वाद रहता है कि पूरे इंडिया में जाके, पूरे देश में जाके, विदेश में जाके और नाम करें, बरेली का कॉलेज का नाम करें, अपने माता पिता का सम्मान करें और इन सब का सम्मान होने के बाद मेरा का सम्मान अपने आप ही हो जाता है। मैं भी अपने गर्व से कह पाता हूँ कि आज KCMT के बच्चे जो है इंडिया के अंदर क्या विश्व के अंदर अपने तरीके का पूरा झंडा फहरा रहे हैं।
KCMT Executive Director Mr. Vinay Khandelwal, who is young eminent entrepreneur with zeal to promote technical education. Under the guidance of Mr. Vinay Khandelwal, the institution is reaching the zenith of success every passing year.
पेरेंट्स और बच्चे NCR रीजन की तरफ ना जाना चाहते हैं क्योंकि वहाँ असुरक्षित महसूस करते हैं और इस संस्थान की खास बात यह है कि हमारे पास एक गर्ल्स हॉस्टल है जो बहुत सुरक्षित गर्ल्स हॉस्टल में माना जाता है। ये पूरा कैंपस बाउंड्री वॉल से कवर है, प्रॉपर फूड अरेंजमेंट्स हैं, सिक्योरिटी अरेंजमेंट्स हैं, जिससे कि बच्चों को निगरानी में रखा जाता है और माँ बाप को इससे बड़ी संतुष्टता और क्या मिलती है कि उनके बच्चे एक अच्छी एजुकेशन पा रहे हैं और सुरक्षित वातावरण मिल रहा है उनको। हमारे कॉलेज में नोएडा, दिल्ली, लखीमपुर, सितारगंज, रुद्रपुर, पूरनपुर, मुरादाबाद इतने दूर दूर क्षेत्र से बच्चे भी पढ़ने आते हैं जो यहाँ पर सुरक्षित महसूस करते हैं।
Khandelwal College of Management Science and Technology, KCMT, established in the year 2001 under the aegis of BSES. It is a registered non-government, non-profit educational organization. We have a success story of 13 years and endless efforts speak to our glory. Vision and mission. Vision. We envision of becoming a world-class professional institute by 2020 by leveraging our potentially world-class work culture, ethics, people, processes and infrastructure. Mission. Our mission at KCMT is to develop young professionals with active and creative minds, a sense of understanding and compassion for others, and the courage to act on their beliefs. We exist to advance professional skills through world-class education, knowledge creation, and by establishing ethical values. Campus. It is true that the campus life is vibrant and engaging because students are given lots of avenues for personal and professional growth. The KCMT campus, spread over 10 acres of lush green land in the outskirts of Bareilly, is well equipped with a wide range of facilities that makes students' life on campus comfortable and electrifying. KCMT is approved by All India Council for Technical Education, New Delhi, National Council for Teachers Education, Jaipur, Government of India, and is affiliated to MJP Rohelkhand University, Bareilly for undergraduate courses, professional PG courses, and affiliated to UP Technical University, Lucknow. Our student strength has risen to about 2,600 with 85 experienced faculty members richly qualified to teach them. In nutshell, we are running 15 programs under 5 faculties in areas like In the year 2012, college was accredited by NAAC, National Assessment and Accreditation Council, and earned B+ grade. Key areas of our home science education are Key areas of management education are Key areas of IT education are Faculty. To be the best, you need to learn from the best. Our faculties are well qualified with proven track record. Pedagogy includes all sorts of tools like lectures. Classrooms. Our classrooms are conducive to learning in every sense of the term. They are equipped with the best learning aids and are also designed keeping in mind students' comfort, air-conditioned and well-lit. The classrooms have amphitheatre-style seating and are equipped with teaching aids like LCD projectors, AV tools, etc. KCMT labs, well-furnished, state-of-the-art computer labs with high-end computing devices and an unlimited high-speed broadband connection facilitate high-speed internet access. The labs are well equipped with all the required software. Also, every management and computer student is provided with a laptop with Wi-Fi internet facility at the time of admission to keep them connected to the world at all times. Large physics practical lab, chemistry lab and well-ventilated spacious botany lab, zoology, biotech and home science labs have all necessary facilities for practical and effective learning. Library. The library is considered to be a knowledge resource center in the educational institutions. The library at KCMT centrally air-conditioned and computerized, which helps students to explore. It has more than 10,000 books, the largest research and development in the field of science, IT and management education is stocked with ample text and reference books, national and international journals and periodicals, thesis, latest research in printed and audio-visual formats.
We have many facilities in this library. We have facilities of issuing book banks. During our exams, we come in this library and enjoy our studies in great silence.
Hostel life and mess. Hostel of KCMT is one of them. It has separate girls' hostels within the campus with single and double-seated rooms with 24-hour electricity backup. Guest rooms are provided to guardians or parents which are well furnished. The KCMT has separate mess facility for girls where food is cooked as per the likes of the students. The hostel has facility for indoor games and a well-equipped exercise room.
I personally feel that hostel life is very good if you are in professional studies. The food which is provided here in the hostel is actually very good and the food is very nutritious and healthy.
Annual fests and cultural activities. Charisma. The annual Youth Charisma is a 2-day national level techno and cultural fest organized by the Students' Activity Council of KCMT. Started in 2008, other events and activities organized by students are on art and culture, Manavta Divas, Navratri Mahotsav, Cyber Quest, MacQuest and ElectroQuest, etc. International educational visit of students. The first tour was organized to Singapore in 2008, followed by Singapore and Malaysia in 2009, and international tour to Dubai in 2010, 2011 and 2012.
हम लोग बहुत सी डिफरेंट ट्रिप भी जाते हैं, एजुकेशनल ट्रिप होती है, उसमें इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रिप्स होती हैं एंड फॉर एंजॉयमेंट हम लोगों को ट्रिप ले जाया जाता है.
They have won medals and awards for their academic distinction and also in co-curricular and extracurricular activities organized by various colleges, institutes and universities at state and national level. Life at KCMT. As a part of social responsibility, we have adopted 25 villagers of this region and we care for all-round development of these villages. Training and Placement Cell. In the present scenario, if any educational institution touches the apex, 70% credit goes to the TP cell.
It feels proud to be a part of this organization as it provides you several campus placement activities. I myself have been selected in SDFC company and feels to be on the top of the world.
Feels proud to be a part of KCMT that after pursuing graduation, I have been selected in Genpact and HDFC Bank, which gives a privilege and a great feeling to us.
Conference Seminar Hall. One 250 seats theatre-style conference hall is used for weekly conferences and mini-seminars on various subjects. In addition, KCMT also have a 250 seats conference hall to organize functions where large gathering of guests can be easily accommodated. Transport. The college has been running its own fleet of buses from every corner of the city and adjoining cities like Pilibhit and Badaयूं. Bus card is issued to every student for identification. Canteen. Umbrella canteen facility is provided within the KCMT campus. Tea, coffee, soft drinks, snacks, lunch is provided to the students at subsidized rates. The college located within 14 km on the Bareilly Pilibhit road. Creativity through construction.